Hello, welcome to Chemistry 101 tutorials. If it's your first time joining us, please do subscribe below and also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when we upload a new video. In today's tutorials, we have 2 questions, and after these questions, please go down on the description below and solve 3 questions. This will be your homework questions to see if you understand what we have learned in this video. Also, when you are done, please send the answer in the comment section and I will come and correct you. If majority of you don't get them right, then I will make another video to give the final answer. Okay, so the first question, how many molecules are in 2.5 gram of calcium carbonate? So ladies and gentlemen, here there is one important thing that I would like to stress out. So 1 mole of anything, of any substance, is equals to 6.022 times 10 to the power 23 molecules or atoms or ions or particles or electrons, depending on the kind of substance. So this you should know by heart. This is Avogadro's number. So 1 mole of any substance is equals to Avogadro's number. Okay, so this is the conversion factor that we are going to use since we are asked to calculate the number of molecules. But then you can see from here that in order to do that, we have to make sure that also this unit, the grams, are in moles. So this is one step that you also have to consider. So in this case, you need to convert that into moles, and when it's in moles, then you can use this conversion factor to calculate the molecules. So let's do this together. So in this case, you are given 2.5 grams of calcium carbonate. So to convert this to moles, we will use the molar mass. So then we're going to multiply this with the molar mass of calcium carbonate. So here in this case, you will have 1 mole over 100.1 gram. This is of calcium carbonate, all of them. So what I have done here, ladies and gentlemen, do not be afraid, or so what I've done, basically I have just used the unit of molar mass, which is grams normally per mole, but the molar mass is actually stand for the mass of 1 mole of a substance. So which means that you can have also something like this, the mass of, let's say, of hydrogen. Let's just say 1 gram in this case. So the overall molecular mass will be gram per mole. If you divide that, so you will still get 1 gram per mole. So molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of a substance. So I can also put this the other way around. Since they are equated here, it will still be the same thing. So here we do this to make sure that the units cancel out so that you are left with moles. Okay, so let's continue. I will cut that out. So in this case, we will then multiply this by 6.022 times 10 to the power 23 molecules, then divide by 1 mole of calcium carbonate. This will also be molecules of calcium carbonate in this case. And the answer will be If you punch your calculator, then your answer, you will find it to be 1.50 times 10 to the power 22 molecules of calcium carbonate. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the final answer here. So what I have done basically here, I have changed grams first, grams to moles, and then from moles to molecules. This is how to do it. So you have to always make sure that if you are given grams, you take it to moles, and then from there you can use that conversion factor there to convert it to molecules. Okay. Alright, so let's jump to the next question. Oh, I already have the this conversion factor again. So the second question is saying that how much is 1.6 times 10 exponent 21 molecules of copper oxide in grams. So now here you are asked to convert from molecules to grams. So let's do that. So that's 1.6 times 10 to the power 23 molecules equally 21 molecules of copper oxide. We have to convert it to grams. So in this case, you will still use that same conversion factor up there. 1 mole is equal to Avogadro's number. We'll still use the same. So in this case, we will multiply this by 1 mole of copper oxide divided by 6.022 times 10 to the power 23 molecules of copper oxide, then multiply by now the molar mass, because we want the answer in grams. Okay, so in this case we will have the molar mass of copper oxide 79.5 grams over 1 mole. So as I have already explained this, so now here is grams per mole. So depending on which units we want to cancel, so this will be copper oxide and copper oxide. Okay, so the moles and moles will cancel out, the molecules will also cancel out, and your answer will be in grams, and your answer will be in this case 0.21 grams. So this is how to do it. So when you move from molecules, then you have to move again to moles, and then after the moles, then you can go to grams. Okay, so these are the steps, and always remember the Avogadro's number. Okay, so if you have any questions, please do upload them on the comment section, and please, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload the next video. Also, don't forget to go to the description below and to answer all the homework questions, and upload also the answers in the comment section, and I will come and correct them. I hope you will get everything right. If you understand this, you will able to get everything right in the homework section. So the homework is in the description down below. See you in the next video. I wish you more success.